Good morning, students. This is Sheba. Now we are going to discuss about the Electronic Devices Unit 4 Special Semiconductor Devices. In our previous sessions, we have discussed about MESFET, FinFET, PINFET, CNT FET, Schottky diode, tunnel diode, varactor diode, dual gate MOSFET, Zener diodes and all. And in this session, we are going to discuss about the gallium arsenide device. What is meant by this gallium arsenide device? Actually, this gallium arsenide GaAs is a compound state semiconductor made from gallium and arsenic elements. This GaAs device in semiconductor plays an important role, that is, it is used in the manufacture of devices such as microwave frequency integrated circuit, monolithic microwave integrated circuit, and light emitting diodes. As you can see here, the graphical representation of this gallium arsenide is clearly noted down in terms of its electron velocity and number of high mobility carrier decreasing with increase in the semiconductor compound. This gallium arsenide device is less than 1 micron gate geometry and less than 2 micron metal pitch. Up to 4 layer metal is available on and off devices are also working. 4-inch diameter wafers are given here, which is suitable for clock rates in the range of 1 GHz to 2 GHz. Regarding the important features of this gallium arsenide device, as we have seen in the graphical representation, it improves the electron mobility over the silicon technology. And so this gallium arsenide is replaced in many silicon material. But though gallium arsenide is used, why silicon is preferred a lot means it can withstand heat and also cheaper than the device. Also, this GaAs device has the saturation velocity occurs at lower threshold field than for silicon, and the large energy gap offers bulk semi-insulation substrate. This GaAs device operates over a wider temperature range, that is minus 200 degrees Celsius to plus 200 degrees Celsius. And the direct band gap allows GaAs to be used as light emitters, which is one of the major application in many electronic devices, LEDs. Less power dissipation compared to silicon technology. Due to this important features, it is used in many real-time electronic applications. There are types of GaAs devices like GaAs MESFET, GaAs HAMT, GaAs HBT. Moving to the next topic, laser diode. This laser diode, which you can clearly see in this diagram, has anode and cathode emitting the photons, which is marked by the arrow lines. This laser diodes is used to convert electrical signal to light signal. Laser, nothing but light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. This laser diode is made of 2 doped gallium arsenide layers. In laser diodes, the opposite ends of the junction are polished to get mirror-like surfaces, and the region between the mirrored end acts like a cavity that filters the light and purifies its color. As the photons bounce back and forth, they induce an avalanche effect that causes all newly created photons to be emitted within the same phase. This is the working implementation of laser diode. You can see clearly here how the high reflective end is here available and the partial reflective end is available, and how it passes the photons and emits it. This laser diode, the basic semiconductor laser structure in which the photons generated by the injection current travel to the edge mirrors and are reflected back into the active area. Photoelectron collisions takes place and produce one more photons which continue to bounce back and forth between the two edge mirrors. This process eventually increases the number of generated photons until lasing takes place. The lasing will take place at particular wavelength and that are related to the length of the cavity. You can see the diagrammatic representation of the semiconductor laser in which electrical lead metal contact, polished N-type and P-type semiconductors and the junction separating the semiconductors are clearly noted down. Heat sink and electrical contact are also available for emitting the heat in order to avoiding the device from getting damaged. Output lines are also depicted. This is about the real-time implementation of the laser diode. Moving to another topic of discussion, light-dependent resistor, LDR. It is one of the major real-time application electronic device in many applications which we use in our daily life. This is the symbolic representation of this LDR, light-dependent resistor LDR. Its resistance decreases in the presence of light and resistance increases in the absence of light. Nothing but simple sense. If there is low light, it will start on automatically, and if there is brightness available, the device starts to off. Darkness ranges from 2 megaohm and in string light 10 ohm. You can see here dark time night, average sunny night and bright sunlight, how the illumination changes. The graph is drawn versus light versus resistance. So if resistance decreases the presence of light and increasing in the absence of light. This LDR is also called as photoresistor, and the basic material used to manufacture the LDR is cadmium sulfide, lead sulfide or cadmium selenide. You can see the circuit diagram of light dependent resistor. For example, you are implementing this in a switching circuit means the switch, for example tube light, means it will start automatically on when there is low brightness, and if there is high brightness in a sunny day, it will automatically off. This is the purpose of using this LDR. So this is the topic which we have discussed now. Regarding the important questions of the topic which we have discussed, part A 2 marks. What is GaN diode? Yes, from GaAs devices they may be asking the applications of that GaAs device in any of the diodes. Write the features of GaAs MOSFET. What is laser diode? What is LDR and state its basic principle. State the applications of LDR. So this is about the 2 marks, and moving to part B and part C, 13 marks and 15 marks. Explain the construction and working of laser diode. State the various types of laser diodes and their application areas. Draw and explain the characteristics of light dependent resistor. State various applications of light dependent resistor. Explain any one real-time application in brief. So as I have said earlier, prepare all the topic for any real-time application and explain based on that application. Moving to the important links for reference, website reference corresponds to the topic of discussion along with the real-time application is given here, and also book reference, suggested book Electronic Devices UA Bakshi AP Godse, chapter 4, page number 32 to 38 corresponds to the topic which we have discussed now. As we have seen, this entire unit special semiconductor devices is applied in many real-time applications which I have given here, like a television, advanced medical care, yes, both communication in field, medical field and networking field, personal computers, mobile phones and smartphones, automobiles. Every industry corresponds to these electronics real-time applications. So you can take any example and you can explain them in detail. For if you take any of the daily life appliances, for example, now no one is working without mobile phone or without any laptop or personal computer or tablet. So Each and everything constitute this special semiconductor electronic devices within it. Even at medical devices like MRI, CT, even it has our electronic equipments to scan, to reproduce the results in a better effective way. Clarity, resolution, everything comes under this electronic devices. And thus this electronics and our life is not a separate field, both are interrelated. This is about the Unit 4 special semiconductor devices. If you have any doubts in this, you can ask me and get the details. Thank you.